Hey, what up there, you guys? How you guys doing? Welcome to today's adventure. Today we're gonna be checking out this amazing overlook down in Harrisburg. It's called Hog Rock Loop Trail, and it's about a 2-mile trail. So we're gonna try to have a good time, trying to enjoy ourselves. Our city's supposed to be on a lockdown due to this coronavirus and stuff that's going around. But we're gonna go out in nature, go get some fresh air, enjoy the nice, beautiful views all around. And I'm gonna tag you guys along with us. So let's go. Let's try to enjoy ourselves, and let's go trying to have a good time. So guys, we just made it here to Hawks Rocks. We're about to go bang out this cool little 2-mile, go enjoy this beautiful overlook. There's a few cars already here, and I've been here multiple times. I love this overlook, so let's go do it again for the ones that haven't seen it. We're gonna go out and see it again, so let's go out here and enjoy ourselves. It's a beautiful day right now. This is new right here. This wasn't here last time I came. They actually added this on here. You can actually see by the wood, it's actually brand new. But this actually put a mat right here for people that don't know this area. You can barely see it because it kind of reflects off this little glass they got there. But they got some bugs here. They're telling you if you see these type of bugs, kill them. But the trail starts over here. So we parked that over there. We're about to get this day started. And damn, it's just beautiful out here. Right now, our city's going crazy with this so-called coronavirus that's going on, but we out here enjoying this fresh air and nature, and I'm enjoying this beautiful day. And if you can't be out here, I'm gonna bring y'all guys out here with me. So let's go and let's enjoy it.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it starts.
Hey, I told y'all guys this was a 2-mile trail, but I forgot to tell you that this is also a hard trail because it's a steep trail. So it definitely knocks a lot of wind out of your chest. And there's a lot of rocks and stuff you gotta go through, so you gotta be careful with your ankles and all that crazy stuff, so you don't wanna get hurt or fall down like these little hills here. Cause there's a whole bunch of like little slanted little hills on the side of this mountain here going up. So you gotta be careful. It's very dangerous, but it's a beautiful view at the top, so definitely gonna be worth coming up here to enjoy it. So let's keep going. We're not too far now. We're about probably like halfway up there, so whew, let's keep going.
Want this to last. Said you wanted honest. Giving you my hand. down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of.
We always getting up to the Overlook. But I had to stop again. Cause dang, we got some more steps that we gotta continue going up. And this thing ain't easy. But we're gonna enjoy it all the way up here at the top of this Overlook up here. So let's just make it up here, just this last few more, couple more feet that we need to keep going. If we can make it. But I don't think we could. Cause my legs is starting to lock up. That's how steep this thing is. But we reaching up to the top of these stairs here so far. Hopefully it's flat from up here. Oh man. Whew. Damn, my legs. I wasn't ready for this one. But the trail continues on going this way. We just following these little white markings here. Ugh. And it looks like we're coming up to something up here. And I think this is one of the overlooks here. Ugh. So guys, we made it here to the top. This is the Overlook up here. This thing continues on going. I'm not too sure how further this thing goes, but this is the Overlook here. I'm gonna turn this camera around, show you guys, and I'm gonna sit up here and enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoy it with me. And whew, this thing definitely was a breath taker, but here it goes. We just continuing on with the white markings, following the white blazers, finishing off with this loop here. We just made it to the Overlook there. Then continue this thing on and see what else it takes us to. Last time I came, I actually stopped right there and went back towards the same trail that I went down. But this time we can continue on with the whole loop here, and we're just gonna enjoy it out here. It's a beautiful day, so why not be out here enjoying it? And let's finish off this loop here. It's supposed to be some more cool things up here, so hopefully we can run into all that stuff. So let's keep going. So the white marking continues on over there, but it's actually a little campsite. I think this is right here. So that looks like. Check this thing out. It's kind of close to the path, but looks like it was a campsite here. People probably do stay here. There's a little trail that goes over here. See where it leads to. Not too sure if it's going any direction that we're supposed to be going, but we're gonna walk out here a little bit, see where it leads to. But it kind of looks like it's going the way that we just came from, so let's keep going a little bit more and take a look. So guys, it's actually the way we're supposed to be going, but they're saying there was a lookout over here on my map that I got here. And you guys can see it. It said there's a lookout just back over here, so I'm gonna see if I can catch that lookout before we finish off with this loop here. Cause we're gonna be following this path right here straight behind me. Falling tree here, we gotta jump over. Saying if I continue this thing on, just over here going straight, that's gonna lead me to that Overlook. So that's what I'm hoping to find over here. Definitely looks like it's kind of opening up a little bit over here. So guys, it was actually telling me that it was an Overlook right here, but I don't see anything. I don't see no path. I just got done walking straight down this little white marking, continuing straight down. This is the Appalachian Trail. I didn't see anything, but I did see it on my map that it was a shelter coming up straight down, but that was a little further out. So I'm just gonna turn back, continue on the other white markings up here where we was at, and I'm finishing off with this loop here. But so I guess the overlook that we checked out was the only overlook over here. I'm not too sure there's any other overlooks around this section here, but that's the same overlook that we checked out before, and that's the only overlook that I seen up here. And hope y'all guys still enjoyed it. Well, we still got the rest of the show to keep continuing on, and we still gonna be out here enjoying the rest of this little path here, enjoying beautiful nature, the outdoors. And it just feels so good today. It's a nice beautiful day, just escaping the city from all that little chaos that's going around with that coronavirus. But we over here, out here enjoying ourselves. And if you guys inside watching this and you guys enjoying it also, I hope I'm keeping you guys entertained with being out here. Hope I got you guys feeling like you're out here with me, because I mean, it is a good feeling being out here. And if you can't make it out here, hope you guys one day could come out here and enjoy it also. So let's go out here and finish enjoying this beautiful, beautiful day, because this is amazing today, and I can't keep saying that enough. But here goes that tree again that we gotta jump over. And just up here is with that little split off before we came to the little path over here following this Appalachian Trail. But we're just gonna keep continuing going back straight up here, going back to this main path that we're supposed to be on, so we can finish this loop here. And this is about probably like another mile going around, probably a little bit shorter than a mile going around, because it's a little easier going this way that we're going towards. It's supposed to be easier. I never went this way, but that's what they say. When you go around this way, it's supposed to be easier. If you get a went up this way and went down the harder way, going up down all them steps and them rocks and stuff, either or, we still would have been tired. But we back up here, and I can see it split off just up here. The little campsite that we was checking out earlier is over here in this corner there. And that's the overlook just down there. That's the overlook we just got done checking out on the bottom over there. And we're gonna finish off with the trail up here, going back towards this direction again. Just passing a little campsite again. Now we can continue on with this path that we was going on earlier on. So this is the way we gotta go back around to get to the bottom, back where the car is at. We turned just up here when we thought we was going the wrong way, but we was obviously going the right way. I turned back around because of my map. I kept seeing that it was showing like another overlook, but I guess the map was just showing me the overlook that we already got done checking out. And that's the overlook that I probably got confused with. But we back on the markers that we supposed to be on. And I think these are also white markings. I'm not too sure. Haven't seen any markings yet, but if I see anything, I'll keep you guys updated with that. But we're here just continuing this thing on. Guys, just when we thought there was no view, we actually get one more view before we head out of here. And this view right here is so damn beautiful. Just look at this thing. Got done checking that view out. Now we're gonna finish off with the rest of this trail here. Make our way right back towards the car. Gotta just make our way down here nice and safe though. So in the beginning we went straight up here. In the beginning of this trail we kept going straight up to check out the main view. That was to get to Hawk Overlook up there in the Hawk Rocks. And just over here it's going back down towards the parking lot now. We just came out from up there. We did a big circle. It was real worth it. Hope y'all guys enjoyed it. We're getting closer down here to the car. So right now we just backtracked in what we came up since the beginning. So I can see the car from here. It's just over there at the bottom. So guys, we made it here to the bottom. This place actually got packed compared to when we first got here. There was a few cars when I first got here, but this place definitely got a lot more crowded. Everybody out here enjoying this beautiful day. They're trying to escape from that so-called virus that's going around, that coronavirus. But I mean, I ain't saying it ain't true and saying all that crazy stuff, but we as humans supposed to keep our hands clean, keep our earth clean, and do all that good stuff. So make sure germs don't spread around. So it means up to us to power that little so-called virus that's going on and knock that thing out by just keeping things clean, staying nice and positive, and keeping yourself nice and energized and safe and stuff out here in this world, because you never know what can happen out here. It's a crazy day, but we out here enjoying it. It's beautiful. We got done checking out that beautiful overlook. Just walking up to the car now. See you guys in my next adventures. If you guys want to support the adventures, go check out the website, rate254adventures.com. Go get your drip. I'm tired, so I'm about to start heading home, and I'll see you guys on the next adventure. So peace, and see you guys next time.